Hola, hello, I am Pepe the King Prono guy.
Oh, that's so f***ing cool. And that's how we completely destroy a powerboard on a Leader 120. Nice.
Hey everybody, and welcome to Tech Tip Thursdays here on the Quadcopter Review with your host Pepe Prawns. That's me. Today we're going to be looking at hand tools, but before we do that, don't forget to look in your upper right hand corner for this month's giveaway. Make sure you subscribe, put one comment on that giveaway video, and one only so you don't get disqualified. So one of the most important hand tools we're going to use in the hobby is the prop wrench, and I've found the greatest one out there. This ratcheting end and open-ended 8mm wrench is just phenomenal. It's really been a lifesaver for me. It's been so much easier than all the fumbly ways I tried to do it before, and it's prevented me from going and robbing my tool case in the garage. You know, it's good to have one on the bench. I like to keep one in my gear kit too. This is what I take out in the field: some extra straps, props, batteries, zip ties, cutters, Phillips head screwdriver, and a wrench. Just must have. It's awesome. Look for links below. I'm going to link you to this wrench right here, and make sure if you go through with these links, it'll help me out a ton if you buy it through the link with Amazon. Again, all the dollars that come in through any kind of affiliate that I do go directly back into the Quadcopter Review in order to do the giveaways and things like that. None of my personal quad stuff is all handled by myself. I'm not going to be buying a house. I have a great job in the web development industry. My wife has a great job, and I don't need to do this for a living. I just enjoy doing it. So anything that you guys do through any of my links is going to come back to you in a giveaway. And a matter of fact, if I can get 3 people to buy wrenches in this video, I'll give away 3 wrenches. So keep that in mind. If I get 3 bought, I'll give 3 away. So comment on this video, and that'll inch you into the giveaway for a wrench. And what I'll do is I'll contact you, get your address, and I'll drop ship it directly to you. So another part of this that's great, it's open end if you run into any need for that, but mostly you're going to use the ratcheting end. As you can see, on and off, no problem, really handy. And those prop nuts are, for the most part, the prop nuts you're going to find on anything with a nut. Now the other tools I use are a set of hand drivers here. These all come in 2.5, 2.0, and 1.5 hex head, and we have our flat blade and our Phillips. And it came with a couple boxes, a 5.5 and a 4.0. And these fit the majority of everything you're going to deal with when you're working with these guys. Like this XJB145. All the nuts on it are the 1.5 hex. I just reach over, grab my one driver. I can take anything apart on this guy, from motor bolts down to plate bolts to everything. And on your bigger ones here, the 2.0 comes in handy because it's going to fit all your M2s. Then you're going to be able to get off the bulk of everything you got on the bigger ones. And if you happen to run into one a little bit bigger, you got the 2.5. But almost everything, as you can see, is right there available on my bench. Tweezers, the whole works. So I have links below to both the wrench and the hand tools there. But you may have seen a lot in my videos, this blue rubberized pad I use here. It's heat resistance for your soldering, and it has magnetic side, places to stick all your tools in, your tweezers, etc. At the top you can also put them in horizontally. This is a great mat, and I'll put a link for that below too if you're interested in a mat. This just doesn't have a bunch of crosshairs on it like everybody else uses, because who wants to be like everybody else? So thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe, like, everything. Thank you guys.